Cooper may want one.
No, I don't.
Man, what's all that stuff over there?
Yay!
Cool. I think
Which
that's
one's
Connor's
Cooper?
basket. I think Cooper's basket's on the other side. Cooper, look. Your basket's over here. What's in that basket? If you want to. A movie.
What movie is it?
Cooper got Fantasia. Cool. Here, I guess you can video.
I said pictures. Are you getting a video?
Yeah.
What it is? You want me to get a video or pictures?
Yeah, this video.
Oh.
Cool.
Mom!
What is it?
What's in that basket? You got sunglasses? Let me see you put them on. Put them on, let me see. Connor, put your sunglasses on.
I see some glasses in Cooper's too. Cooper, look in your basket. Smarties. What else you got in there? Is that a compass? Cool. You can be a pirate now. Here's your treasure map.
Connor, you need to go TT? Connor, you need to go TT? We're going.
Man, let me see.
Let me see that, baby.
Show, Dad.
Oh, cool. Man.